To start with, let's define clay. If we bring up Google and look at the technical definition of clay, it is sediment with particles smaller than silt, typically less than 0.00016 inch. So looking at that definition, we realize that not all dirt will work the same for making clay. While some dirt has a lot of clay in it, other dirts have almost no clay at all in them, which is why some of the how to make clay from dirt videos here on YouTube show people struggling so much to make clay. Take for example that video by the King of Random that's had so many views. He started out with a bucket full of dirt and he turned that into a handful of clay. That's because he didn't use dirt that had a lot of clay in it. Let me show you what I mean. Dirt that has a lot of clay has certain properties that we can recognize. When it's wet, we might recognize that dirt's sticky or plastic properties as being similar to clay. But when it's dry, we might look for tire tracks that stand up, that stay in place for long periods because that clay is holding it in place. We might also look for that crackled texture in the dirt, showing that that clay is expansive. It expands when it's wet, it contracts when it's dry, which is a property of clay. So when we see that crackled texture, that tells us that there's a large percentage of clay in that dirt. So today I'm going to collect dirt from 3 different